What is the date? Today's date 22? Yeah, 22 4 26. 22 4 26. Today's class is just started from here. Let us assume today's class is started from here. Just I will revisit one time. So structures and union. What is the purpose? Structures and union. What is the purpose? User can create their own data type depending upon requirement. So how, right? How the structures? Let's see. Let's see this one. So int is assume 2 bytes, float is assume 4 bytes, char is assume 1 byte. Right? These are the predefined thing. Right? What is the structures? We'll see now. So leave this. Let us assume we have already n predefined data types. You want one more new data type depending upon your requirement. Suppose my requirement is this. These three people I want. I want one data type where these three will be present. So using structures you can do it. So I'm repeating once again everyone listen. Today's topic is structures and union. Date also I written. So these are the predefined data types. Predefined means existing data types. These are existing data types. Let us assume n existing data types are there which are predefined. Right? You want to create one more. Let us assume that I written this code int a, float b, char c. Right? So if you do this, if you write this code, one data type is created. Now existing data types became n plus 1. Previously only n data types. After this code, n plus 1 data types are there. Previously only n available. Now n plus 1 data types are available. Means I created one new data type. Name is called struct node. New data type name is called struct node. Please try to understand. We created one new data type called struct node, which internally contain three people, A, B, C. Int A, float B, char C. Right? And one more, how to declare one variable of the data type? Same way. Like int A, how you declare? Similar way, struct node D, one variable I declared. So whatever way memory created for this, for this also memory will be created. Right? Fine. This is the structure introduction. So what is the purpose of structures? Right? User can create their own data type depending upon requirement. Now I create one new data type. This is, remember, so you have to keep semicolon saying that your story completed. Means you created one new data type. Name is called struct node. From now onwards you can use it. You are using also. From now onwards you can use it. You are using also. Everyone know this. Let's see if anything is any problem to anyone. Right. Fine. I hope everyone is fine. Till now, everyone is fine now. Now let's go to continuation of this. See this one. That is structures, right? Now see one more example I given. See this. See everyone. I will explain. Don't worry. I will explain. I think whatever you know, I written. Don't worry that much. See this. Everyone try to understand. So structures a little bit I explained. Now I am explaining a little more. Suppose, say this one. Suppose using I want to use one variable int d. When I say int d, memory will be created. 2 bytes of memory will be created. When I say int d, 2 bytes of memory will be allocated. So I want in my program int d. I will write directly int d. 2 bytes of memory will be allocated. So this is the address. Everything is fine. Now if I want to struct node d, see this one. If I want to say struct node d, if I say struct node d, right, some memory will be created. See, these all people how much memory required, that much memory will be allocated. These all people how much memory required, that much memory will be allocated. Whatever it is, that much memory will be allocated. But the thing is, if you want to use it, struct node d, first you have to write this code. In the first place, write the code because it is the user defined, user created. So you have to first create data type. So this is creating data type. Until here, creating data type. Afterwards, create variable. This is creating variable. But in the predefined, no need to create. Already created. Then use it. It is a creating variable. It is a creating data type. Data type already there. That is the meaning of predefined. Create a variable. Here, data type is not available. First, create data type. Then create variable. Okay, fine. Fine. That is also okay. Everyone done it. Everyone done it until now. See this one. Right? Everyone, I think until now, fine. Now, for the D, this is a memory, if at all into D. For the struct node D, this is the memory. Inside, there are three people, A, B, C. A required 2 bytes. Float required 4 bytes. Let us assume char required 1 byte. So actually 2 plus 4 plus 1 actually 7 bytes, because memory access some, right, some calculations, right, accessing memory inside. So for faster purpose, for calculations are nice, right, then you can access the data faster. What they will do is, whichever is the bigger one among all the people, whoever you taken among all the people, whichever is bigger one, for all the people they will add that much. So I think 2 bytes here plus 2 more, 4k, it is already 4. So 1 plus 3, right, so 3 more bytes. This is called padding, extra thing for the padding. Totally 12 bytes of memory will be allocated. So now listen. Purpose of structures is, right, user can create their own data type based on requirement. That note I already said many times. This point also please take care. Actually 7 bytes only required. When you say struct node D, 7 bytes of memory will be allocated. But for a faster access, it is better to have some proper format. Proper format is there, right? I think in the very good calculative way it is available, then memory accessing becomes so easy, right? For that purpose, for all smaller people, they will add some more extra memory, right? Important thing is that will not be used, right? That the memory which will be used is 7 bytes only. The memory which will be used is 7 bytes only. 7 bytes only memory. For faster calculation, for faster memory access, right? For the smaller people, they will add a little more so that all will become bigger size. So 2 bytes padding in the first place, 3 bytes padding in the last place, totally 12 bytes. Now remember, every member in the case of structure, every member have its own memory. So this person having its own memory, this person having its own memory, this person having its own memory. No sharing, right? A don't share B memory, B don't share A memory, C don't share B memory, B don't share C memory. So please be careful. And one more, it is a one variable. D is a one variable, it is the address. D is a one variable, it is the address. Please be careful. D is one variable, so it is the address. And be careful. Used memory is 7 bytes only. Used memory is 7 bytes only. Please try to understand. Used memory is 7 bytes only. Please try to remember. Okay, fine. Now some people are asking, sir, what about union? Can you see the union also? Can you see the union also? Union A, 2 bytes. Float B, 4 bytes. Char C, assume. So in the place of struct, I kept union. In the case of struct, I kept union. So this is the union. So maximum here is 4 bytes. Okay. So union, one data type is created, that is called union node. One new data type is created, union node. Union node, one new data type is created. Afterwards, one variable also created. That is the meaning of user defined. That is the meaning of user defined. One new data type is created, one new variable is created. But when you ask the size of D, it will be only 4 bytes. Only 4 bytes. In the case of union, for larger one only memory will be created. But in the case of union, for every one memory created, how much, whichever is the bigger size, that much memory will be created. Okay, that's fine. Right, next one. See this one here, A, B, C, because of only one person memory, here A, B, C, right? See this one, A, B, and C. Only one person can store data inside, even though three people are there, but one person only you can store. Who are those? A, B, C available, right? A, B, C available, but one person only can store. Either A can store, or B can store, or C can store. One person at a time can store. So, sir, already A stored. How will you store? B, sir. A will be overwritten. A will be overwritten, B will be written. B will be overwritten, then C will be kept. C will be overwritten, then A will. Means what I want to say, previous data you will lose. But if your requirement is like this, out of three people, one person only I want to use at a time, then go for union. Out of these three people, one person only you want to use at a time, then go to, right? Then go to union. All people you want to use, all people you need, then go for the structures. Right? See this one. All members have same memory. In the case of union, all members are having same memory. Right? Next one. Here memory sharing is going on. Here memory sharing is going on. Right? Next one. A, B, and C. A, B, and C can store A, B, and C. Only one person out of these three people. One person only can store at a time. Out of these three people, one person only can store at a time. Using structure and union, user can create their own data types. I hope everyone is comfortable. Are you comfortable till now? Let me know, are you comfortable till now? In the yesterday's class also we done it. In yesterday's class also we done it. Yeah, right, 12 only. 12 only you will write. Now you will see little more carefully, little more you can see. Little more you can see. See once. In the last class already we done. In the last class already we done. So I just done whatever is required. One time I done the reading. Now observe. Observe everyone. Observe everyone. Struct node, careful. Struct node, int, struct node, int, A, float B, char C, it is 2 bytes, it is a 4 bytes, 2 bytes, 4 bytes, 1 byte. Right. So memory, right, one data type is created. Observe everyone, one data type is created. Let me create one variable also. Struct node D. One variable also I created. Till now, one variable also created. First I created one data type. Next I created one variable also of that data type. Okay. How many bytes created? 241. Right? 241. Right? Totally 7 bytes of memory. But for faster calculation, they will do padding also for smaller people. For smaller people, they will do padding also. Can you see this one? Smaller people, they will do padding. So if you see the memory, for smaller people, they will do padding. If you see the memory hierarchy, D, which internally contain A, which internally contain B, which internally contains 1000 onwards. I think if you see the bigger one, 1000 onwards, I think 444 bytes will be created. So for the first person 2 bytes, for the first person 2 bytes, next to 2 bytes is padding. 2 bytes, next to 2 bytes is a padding. It is a padding, unused memory. So float B 4 bytes, because 4 bytes needed. He will take 4 bytes. That's okay. Third person C, char C, 1 byte only will use. Remaining 3 bytes are padding for faster calculation. Other than this, nothing there. They don't use. So that calculation, if all are equal, calculation becomes so easy. If all are equal, calculation becomes so easy. So variable name is, remember, one variable only created. One variable only created. Remember, one variable only created. Name is this one. You created one variable. Name is D. You created one variable. Name is D. But inside D, there are 3 partitions. That is okay. Inside your house, see this one. How many houses you have? If I ask you how many houses you have, you will say one house only. But if you go inside the house, there may be so many rooms. You cannot say 5 rooms has 5 houses. If I ask you on the board, how many variables are created? Say one variable D created. If I ask you on this board, how many variables are created? Say one variable D created. What is the variable D type? Struct node type. From where this struct node came? I created. Say this. I created. Again, I'm asking you, on this board, how many variables are created? One variable created. What is the name? D. What is the type? Struct node. From where this struct node? It is not predefined. From where it came? From where this struct node came? I created. For my convenience, I created one data type. The next question, what is the size? If you see 2, 4, 1, if you see 2, 4, 1, totally 7 actually. But for faster calculation, right? If at all people are having equal size, that calculation becomes so easy. So padding done. So remember the padded area, right? No data will be stored. Okay, that's perfect. Everyone is fine. Everyone know it. Everyone know it. Until now, no objection. Until now, no objection. Everyone know it. Right? Now come here. Now come here. Now everyone try to understand this also. See this. Struct node. Careful. Struct node. Struct node. Make sure everyone understand. Float B. Okay. Int A. Char C. Next one, struct node D. Nothing there, just one time listen. Struct node D. This is the first line, create a data type. Second one, use it. Create a data type, then use it. Everyone observe. Create a, right? See this one. Create a data type, then use it. Okay, so how many bytes? Let's see. Everyone observe. 4 here, 2 here, 1 here. Totally 7 bytes. Now see. Now see everyone. One variable D created. One variable D created. Okay. One variable D created. Inside maybe 3 partitions. Inside is first B there. Okay. Whatever order you return, same order. Inside first you return B. Afterwards you return A. Afterwards you return C. Whatever order you return, same way it will come. Every variable having its own address. So 1000. Remember in the second part. In the second part, if you observe clearly, one data type is created. One data type is created. One variable D also created. So actually that variable requires 7 bytes of memory. Right? How many bytes will be created? One time listen. One time listen. Can you help me? Can you help me one small line? Which is the bigger one? 4 to 1. Which is bigger? Careful everyone, which is bigger? 4 to 1. One person required 4, one person required 2, one person required 1. 4 to 1. Which one is bigger? Everyone respond. 4 to 1. Which one is bigger? 4. 4 to 1. Which one is bigger? Everyone respond. Right? 4. So remember everyone, the memory whichever will create, observe everyone, the memory whichever will create, it should be multiples of whatever memory finally going to create. It should be multiples of bigger person. Multiples of bigger person. Whatever memory will come, that is a multiples of bigger person. Can you say who are the multiple of 4 means what are those? 4 also, 8 also, 12 also. Whatever answer will come, it should be multiples of 4. Whoever is bigger, multiples of that. So in the structure, whatever memory you are asking for, right? In the structure, whatever memory you are asking for, it should be multiples of bigger person. So multiples of bigger person, try to understand. Here if you see the bigger person is 4. Multiples of 4 space will be created. If you want, you can check previously at this place. At here, 12 bytes created. 12 bytes memory created. So multiples of bigger person is 4. 4 into 3. So 12 bytes. multiples are bigger. Now come here. Now come here. So first person you created 4 bytes. Okay, because of is the bigger one, 4 bytes. Now see everyone. Now see everyone. I think second person if you observe 2 bytes, third person if you observe 1 byte, they both are, see, two small people are both are side by side. Two small people are both are side by side. Already 4, these two people are side by side, 2 and 1, right? But if I add one more byte, it will become 4 plus 4, 8. 8 also we can manage. So what they are do, what they will do is they don't do unnecessary padding, unnecessarily extra. If two small people are side by side, if it is possible multiples of 4, then what they will do is this one, 4 into 2 they will do. It is also multiples of 4. Two small people are side by side. See, two small people are side by side. So what they will do is, out of these two people, who is very small, I think cat, for the cat they will add one more byte they will add, so that it will become multiples of 4. So that it will become multiples of 4. For the A, they don't add anything. A 2 bytes only. It is a 4 bytes. It is a 2 bytes. This is 1 byte. Overall become 4 plus 2 6. So 6 plus 1 7. This one more byte added, so that it will become multiples of 4. So that it will become multiples of 4. So that whatever answer should come, whatever memory you will take, whatever size of memory you will take, it should be multiples of 4. It should be multiples of 4. Some people are asking, sir, why don't you do the same thing here also? You may ask that. But here, one smaller is first place, one smaller is last place. So we are unable to adjust. If they both are side by side, I can do little minimization. If they both are side by side, we can do little minimization. See, until now, no question is there, not required also. But it is better to say, I went little deeper. Until now, one question also not there from the last 30 years. One question also not there from the sizes and all. But it is better to know, just I went a little more deeper. So if anyone asks you what is the structure size, just follow this. It is not asked one time also. Yeah, is it okay? Can we go for this? Right? I will write also. Whatever size will come in the structure, it should be multiple of. It should be multiple of multiplication of bigger person. If the bigger person is 4, 4 into 2. If at all total members are 3, 4 into 3. That is the maximum space what you can take. Suppose two smaller people are side by side, you can compress also. Two smaller people are side by side, you can compress also. Remember, whatever extra memory you are taking, for smaller one you can add. Whatever extra memory you are taking, for smaller one you can add. Smaller one you can add. Fine. I hope everyone is okay. Can we move to next? Whatever memory will come, it should be multiple of bigger person. Just remember that. If smaller people are side by side, you can save some space. Other than this, nothing there. Right? Now, let me say this. Afterwards, I will show the program also. Let me show this. Afterwards, I will show the program also. These are the GATE 2026 toppers, right? So the interesting thing about all these toppers is that most of the people are taken 6 to 12 months. 6 to 12 months only they taken. 6 to 12 months only. No requirement of 2 years. No requirement of 3 years. Please study properly. Most of the people are taken 6 to 12 months. 6 to 12 months, most of the people are taken. I request everyone, your photo should also be there next year here. Please try to understand. Study accordingly. Everyone taken 6 to 12 months only. Most of the people, 1 or 2 people are, right, excused, right? Most of the people are 6 to 12 months. And one more thing I want to say to you, if you like EPT classes, you can refer to your friends. You have your code. You can your friends, if anyone join using your code, you will get the cashback. Right? You will get the cashback. Let me write. You will get the cashback. Fine. And next one. So write see this one. For all combo courses, good discount going on. It is not ET, it's updated 70. Combo courses 70, normal courses 50. Right. Next one is if you selected for any company mock if you selected for any company interview, we will conduct mock interview. If you selected for any company interview, we will arrange the mock interview for you. Assume for one of the MNC, you got the interview call. If you inform to us, we will give the right mock interview for you with the experts. C programming is free in the YouTube. You people can use it. Triple IT Hyderabad 6 tests are free. 6 mock tests are free. Please utilize. Yesterday one mock test happened. Totally 3 happened till now. Next one, you can join whatever course you want. If you want all, go for combo courses. All you want, go to combo courses. Right? If you want anything, right, a regular, you can go for regular. Foundation, you can go for foundation. Test series, you can go for a test series. Mentorship, whatever you want, you can select. Every weekend, mentorship is going on where we will track you. Right? We will give what is the next week target, next month target. I request everyone, please come to the Saturday. I request everyone. Otherwise, lastly, you will cry. My syllabus not over. I'm not done test series. I'm not done practice. You will cry like anything. You will cry like anything. My request to every person, my request, please attend every weekend, right? Mentorship session. These are the verified questions which are available in the website. You can utilize. So in the EPT, not only GATE placements, also we are concentrating. So these are the people who are placed in the placements. Right, so next one is the DSA Super 50 batch going on from April 1st. You people can join. Now come here. Now everyone understand this. Everyone try to understand. Right, nothing. I think one small point is there. I explained already. One small point there. I explained already. Right. Let's see. Let's see this. I will do this. Just give me 1 minute. So I executed also. Right. I executed also. So let me check one time. Wait. Otherwise, I think we can write also. I maybe missed out. I will do all combinations. Can you see one time? It will take 1 minute only. I will write also. You can see once. You can see once. You can see once. I am writing. You people can see once. Yeah, now you can verify. Now you can verify. I'm verifying now. Please see one time. Please see one time. Nothing is there. It will take 2 minutes time, but it will give some clarity. It will take 2 minutes time. It will take some clarity. So one struct node 1 I created, one variable D, one union node 2 also created, one variable E. I think everything is available here. So now I am printing sizes. Now I am printing sizes. One time you see, you will get the clarity. Just see one time, you will get the clarity now. Right? Everything available. So let me run it one time. Let me run it. Some errors may come. So I will check one time. Main, just go to main. Just go to main. Maybe here void may be required. To save time, I already done. Somehow small mistake happened. Union node 2 int char float. I think semicolon, everything is perfect. In function main, warning empty declaration. Node 2, printf percentage d, size of struct node 1. Yeah, it's not printf, because in the Python language there is a print here, printf. In the C language, printf, right? These are the small changes. In the Python, it is a print. In the C language, it is a printf. Yeah, you will get it. I think it is taking a few minutes time, and then you will be all right. Next, printf percentage d, size of char. Check anything else, anything wrong, anything wrong happening. Please check. So the purpose of this one is, I think in the main open bracket properly not there. That's okay. Then closed bracket is there. I think now it all will be sorted out. Yeah, now see this. I think output is coming. Output is coming. You can see one time here. You can see one time here. Output also coming. You can see this. Slash n. It is also slash n. It is also slash n. So in the C programming, at any point of time, any doubt, please, I request you, please do like this. Please do like this. So many online compilers are there, you can use it. So many online compilers are there, you can use it. Now see this one. First printf is 12. First printf is C. Size of struct node 1. Size of struct node 1. First printf is 12. Second one, if you observe, second one is integer, 2 bytes. Right? Maybe system to system it will change. Char 1 byte, float is 4 bytes. But in this system, how much you can see? In this system, you can see. So I think total, right? Size of struct node is 12. Right? Next one is size of integer is 4. Char is 1. Float also 4. And one more, union also 4. Union also 4. Integer 4, char 1, float also 4. Remember, integer also 4, char 1, float also 4. Totally, actually 9 bytes enough. Because of padding. Right? Because of padding. Then what happened is, so I think for the 1, 3 more will be added. Total became 12. Total became, union is normal. Whichever is bigger, that is. Do you have any doubt till now? Let me know. I will do changes also. Do you have any doubt till now? Let me know. So I will change a little bit also. I will change a little bit. So let me know. Do you have any doubt? The purpose of this one is taking the positive. Little bit time is wasted. I understood. Little bit of time will be wasted. I understood. The advantage is you can also run. Whenever you get doubt, you can also run. Whenever you get doubt, you can also run. Can we move next? Let me do the change. Let me do the change here. I'm doing change. Let me do change here. I think here int A, float B, they both are 4. Let me keep double. Let me keep double. I'm keeping the double. So if you want, you can write this. See this. Size of double also I will write. Size of double also I will write. Let me write this. Double. If you see the double is I think 8 bytes. See. 12 is, right? 12 is for the structure. 4 is for integer, double for 8, carry is 1, float is 4, union also 4. Okay, until now everything absolutely fine. Everything absolutely fine. Now understand. Now understand this small change I am doing. Small change I am doing. Right? Float, char, everyone observe. Float is 4 bytes, char is 1 byte. Two small people I am keeping side by side. Two small people I am keeping side by side. I am writing double. I am writing double. If you observe clearly, double is 8. If you observe clearly, double is 8. Float is 4, char is 1. Float is 4, char is 1. So 8, whatever answer will come, it should be multiples of 8 only. Whatever answer will come, it should be multiples of 8 only. So float and char if you add, because of they both are side by side, it is coming 5. 8 is the bigger one. So I think next multiples of 8, nearest one is 8 into 2, 16. 16 can come because they both are side by side. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 more you can add. 3 more you can add. So answer should be 16. Answer should be 16. So answer is 16. Answer is 16. First one is 16. Is it okay? For smaller one, it will be added. For smaller one, it is added. Multiples of 8. Next multiples of 8 if possible. If not possible, any multiples of 8. If not possible, how many members are there? Right? Number of people into maximum 1. If not possible. If possible, you can do like this. One question also not there. It is a wastage of time. It is a wastage of time, but it will be useful to you some other way. Right? Now, one more thing I want to do. See this correctly. One more thing I want to do. So here I will write. See correctly. In the place of char, I am writing int. So if you observe clearly, double is 8, float also 4, int also 4. So if you observe clearly, two small people side by side. So I think 8 plus 8, total 16. I think no padding also required. Please check. 16 will come, but no padding also. Because two integers side by side, right? If you observe clearly, float and int is totally same size. Float 4 bytes. According to the system, float is 4 bytes, integer is 4 bytes. 4 plus 4, 8. Double is already 8. 8 plus 8, total becomes 16. That is also okay. I think people got it. Some people are asking, sir, can you swap it? Let me swap. Let me keep the double here. Yeah. Now if you observe clearly, two small people are not side by side. Float also 4, int also 4. Two small people are not side by side. Double is there in between. So double is 8. So I think above also you have to take 8, below also you have to take 8. It should become totally 24. 8 3 is 24. It should become 24. Is it okay? It should become 24. Is it okay? Fine. Can we move further? So whenever life is going on, some point of time, small doubts will come. Please rectify. Small doubts will come. Say no one life is always whatever you thought. One or at any point of time, little doubt there. Write one program and check. If at all required, little bit you read. Because of it is required, little bit you read. One question also not there. So previously I didn't concentrate on this. Because no question is there, way to waste your time. But it's better to say one time, I said. So I got little doubt, I read. Nothing, it is taken to me 5 minutes. Right, so you do any combination. Right, fine. So only for namesake, I'm writing here namesake. I'm writing. Can you guess yourself? One more double I am keeping. A, B, C, D, E over F I am keeping. Can you guess how much space can you guess here? Yeah. Can you guess? With this we will finish it off. With this we will finish it off. Suppose assume no error. How much space you are thinking? I think both the floats, you can combine. Both the floats you can combine. But remember, whatever will come, it should be multiples of 8. Already 2 8s are already available. I think 2 floats also it will become 8. Last int C will also become 8. Even though actually 5 people are there, 5 8s are not enough. 4 8s are enough. Is it 32? Float B, float G, I think you can combine. Float B, float G, you can combine. Am I right? If everything is fine, whatever I said is perfect, it should be 32. Let's check. 32. Okay? 32. Fine. So I think because of you are really comfortable, can we move further? No need to waste more time. No need to waste more time. But remember, used space is how much space you are going to use is used space is same. Used space is same. Actually, whatever there, that only you are using. So double 8 bytes, float 4 bytes, float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes into, right? Into how much? Int is actually 4 bytes, right? 2 bytes. In our calculation 2, but according to system this. So actually 2 here, 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 8, 26. Actually 26. Actually 26. We are using 26 bytes only. We are using 26 bytes only. If they ask you size, maybe you can add the padding thing also. You can add the padding thing also. Right? Actually, we are using 26 bytes only. So I think to make this problem more interesting, if you want, you can move it. Int C, you can move there. Now interesting answer may come. Let's see. Let's see this one. This is the last attempt. Yeah, let's keep here. Let's keep here. Guess how much? What is the answer you are expecting here? What is the answer you are expecting here? Please check properly. Whatever answer should come, it is the multiples of 8. Remember, float is 4 bytes, int is 4 bytes, float is 4 bytes, double is 8 bytes. Can you check what is the answer? In between all, I am not able to do with 8 bytes. In between people, 12 bytes required. So already 2 8s are there. 12, I cannot write multiples of 8. Because of 12, I cannot decrease, I have to increase only. So 12 place write 16. So I think what is the answer? Is it 32? Check properly. Is it 32? How 40 bhaiya? Middle three people we can combine, right? Middle 3 people we can combine, right? All our 3 people are small people. All small people are at one place. So let's check. So 32. All middle people, right? 2 floats are there, 1 int there. You can mix it. But remember, answer should be multiples of. So I am going further. Right. I am writing here. Careful. I am writing here. Note in structures. No one will ask you. In structures, size is always multiples of bigger person, bigger element, or bigger variable. In structure, size is always multiples of bigger element size. if smaller size elements are side by side, we can do less padding. If smaller size elements are side by side, then there may be chance of less padding. If smaller size elements are side by side, then there may be a chance of less padding, right? So take care about these points. Yeah, let's move to next story. There is no meaning of spending more time on unnecessary area, right? So you also, people can try further, right? Let's move to next one. So a little bit of time wasted, but utilize in the positive way. What is the positive way? Oh, any C program trouble me, I can do programming. Any C program trouble me, I can do programming. Whatever way I done, say. Use any compiler, any online compiler. I am using some on, just I type it in the Google, one online compiler came, I am using, you also can use it. Any compiler you can use. No need to keep in your brain that much. Now come to the actual story. Major story starting, everyone listen, right? Actually, this one should be done yesterday itself, right? But somehow it is postponed. Please be careful. Now I want to finish it off. This should be done yesterday itself. I don't know what is the reason. This is breaking inside. Okay, fine. That's okay. Now understand the example. Very good example is coming. Please understand, everyone. Very good example coming. So I'm writing. First point. Careful, everyone. First point. Main. This problem is very, very important. Main struct node, because of all basics are okay to you. Struct node, int A, float B, char C. This example is very, very important. So one data type is created. First point, one data type is created. Everyone understand. First point, one data type is created. Okay. See the second point. First point is one data type is created. Okay, perfect. See the second point. So semicolon also required. Otherwise, you will feel that still data type is not created. Semicolon happened means data type is created. So one data type is created, not variable created. So I am creating one variable now. Struct node D. One variable I created. Right? If you want, you can assign, because inside 3 people there, you can assign. Integer 10 I am giving. Float 20.5 I am giving. Until now I didn't given. So in the previous problem I didn't given. By default garbage is there. Now you are giving. So by default whatever you give. So I think maybe some X character I have to store. I store it. So second step also completed. Until now no problem. How much space? Space usually 7 bytes only, but some extra padding is there. Space usually 7 bytes only. 7 bytes only used. But because of extra padding, what is the answer? I think a bigger one is 4. Multiples of 4 only required. I think they both are correct. Smaller people are not side by side. You cannot compress also. I think 4 into 3, 12. Get 12. Right? 7 bytes only we will use. I am keeping the diagram also. Can you see the diagram? Can you see the everyone diagram here? Variable name is D. Okay. Variable name is D. So first person is A. Second person is B. Third person is C. Address is 1000. Be careful. Address is 1000. Remember everyone, one variable only created D. its type is struct node. It's something exactly like int d. In the place of int d, struct node d. Int d, whatever way predefined thing you are using, int d, same thing struct node d. The only thing is struct node is user defined, above code required. Struct node is user defined, above code required. That is the only difference. And one more, int d, you are assigning some value, but here struct node you are assigning 3 values because it is a group. Structure is a group. Structure is a group because inside so many members are there. Because of group, brackets required. If it is one person, no bracket, right? Because of group, right? When you say structure, group only. You are combining available data types, predefined data types, whatever is there, you are combining them, whichever you want, you are packing them, and you are keeping in one pack. That pack is name is called struct node. Struct node type you created. 3 people you created. So remember a very, very important thing. Until now, I created one variable only. Name is D. Type is struct node. Size is 12 bytes. Actually, we are using 7 bytes only. 7 bytes used. Created is 12 bytes. Created is 12 bytes. Normally we will talk 7 bytes only. But actually if you see inside the system 12 bytes. Okay. I think whatever values you kept, they will go here. And one more, see the interesting thing. One more thing. Everyone listen, one more thing. So first person is 2 byte. First person is 2 byte. You are doing padding, na? You are doing padding. Right? First person is integer 2 bytes, float is 4 bytes. So 2 bytes padding will be done. Unusual space. So next one, I think if you observe clearly here, how many bytes padding here? 3 bytes. 3 bytes padding. It is also unused. Now observe clearly. It is a 1000. Na? Listen, it is a 1000. Carefully observe. It is a 1000. Because of it is now 4 bytes, it became 1004. Because of it is a 4 bytes, this is going to be 1008. Is it okay? Every right. So if you go to one big society, it is a one society only. But if you see inside, there are so many houses. If you go one big society name is D. Inside D, there are so many families. Family A, family B, family C. Every family having its own address. Every family having its own address. Every family having its own address. Is it okay? Every family having its own address. Are you comfortable till now? Bro, are you comfortable till now? But remember, I created one variable only. Name is D. Type is struct node. Size is 12 bytes. This is the way how the distribution done. First person started from 1000. Second person started from 1004. Next person started from 1008. Can I move further? Hello? Can I move further? If it is a normal integer variable, one person only I will store. Structure variable, 3 people I am storing. Because of 3 people, there is a bracket. Next one, if you see the second step, if you want to do second step, first step is required. You want to do second step, first step is required. Without creating data type, how can you use it? Without creating a data type, how can you use it? So I created data type, I am using it. Okay, I think everyone absolutely fine. Now listen, third step is very, very important. Now listen everyone. Listen everyone. Third step is very, very important. Listen everyone. Printf. Careful, don't confuse. Printf. Printf. Understand this. Understand this one. Printf percentage. Printf percentage D. Whatever it is, percentage D. That is okay. That is not important. Printf percentage D. Can anyone help me? D. Listen. Variable means are you inside or outside? Variable means are you inside or outside? So I am writing here for your convenience. Your convenience I am writing here. See this. Int D is equal to 10. For the variable D, memory will allocate 10. Address is 1000. Same way compare. Whatever struct node D int D also same. Struct node D int D both are same. Struct node D int D both are same. Both. The only thing is because of it is a predefined, directly you can declare. But in the case of the struct node, you have to write first step. Here directly from second step is started. Directly from second step is started. Right? But in the case of the structure, right, you have to start first step, create data type and use it. Here I am using directly. Now can you help me? Variable means, right, printf D. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. 10 will be printed. Whenever you say variable, inside print D. Inside whatever there it will print. Can you help me? Right? See this one. Printf percentage D. Print D. Remember everyone? You said D. At this place you said D. Remember when you say variable inside, but if you go inside the structure, one person or many people? If you go inside the structure, one person or many? When you say D, variable, D is a variable. D is a variable. When you go inside, many people. Many people, A there, B there, C there. Right? Variable means inside. Variable means inside. Print D. I will go inside D. But inside D, many people are there. A is asking, are you calling me? B is asking, are you calling me? C is asking, are you calling me? You can call whomsoever you want. Suppose if you want to say first person, D dot A. If you want to say first person, simply write D dot A. D dot A you write. So then what happens is when you go inside, there are many people. Right? D means inside, dot A means first person, 10 will be printed. Inside, remember, structure means group. If you go inside, dot required. This dot is called select operator. In the similar way, printf percentage C D dot C. D means inside. Inside three people, A, B, C. I said C. Then automatically X will be printed. So some people are asking, inside structure member, how can you access? Using dot. Using dot I can use. Percentage F. D dot B. D dot B. 20.5 will be printed. Remember, right? Remember, structure is not array. It look like array, it is not array. Array means outside. But right, when you say structure variable D, D means inside, is a variable. See, is a variable, why no bracket? Declaration time, no bracket. Declaration time, no bracket. So is a variable. It look like, always remember, assignment operator don't see right side. Right side is what you are assigning. Left side is how you declare. While declaration, no bracket. So D is a variable. Variable means inside. But inside, if I go because of structure, many people. Dot required. Dot A, first person will come. Dot B, second person will come. Dot C, third person will come. Okay, fine. Some people are asking. It is, sir, because of many people, unfortunately, someday I forgotten. What is the effect? See this. Percentage D. Simply I written D. I didn't set anything. Actually, inside structure, you have to use dot. But you didn't set dot. Simply D you said. Remember, by default, first person will come. Actually, in structures, you have to use dot. If you don't use dot, instead of giving error message, it will give by default first person. It will give by default first person. Please try to understand. Please try to understand this example. This example will give clarity to you how to access the structure members. Okay, I think this also everyone is comfortable. This also everyone is comfortable. Please listen this. Please listen this. One very, very important thing is coming. Please listen. Listen this one time. So int D, next one. Int star F. F is expecting address of an integer variable. F is, when you say pointer variable, 8 bytes of memory created, okay. For the F purpose, 8 bytes of memory created. But inside F, what is expecting? Address of an integer. I think D address I can give. Because F is expecting address of an integer. At the D, already integer is there. So whatever address you given, I went there. But inside, if I see there is an integer. Simple. One integer data variable I created. One integer pointer variable I created. Integer data variable 2 bytes. Integer pointer variable 8 bytes. Okay. That is also okay. Till now okay. Simple, very simple. Integer data variable, integer pointer variable. When you say pointer variable, 8 bytes. When you say data variable, integer data variable, 2 bytes. 2 bytes. Next one, can you help me? What about printf? Printf, remember, variable means inside. 1000 will be printed. Next one, what about printout? Star f. The value inside 1000. F means 1000, star 1000. So 10 will be printed. Integer, whatever is going on, structures also same thing will happen. Integer, whatever is going on, structures also same thing will happen. Now listen. Now listen what I am doing. One structure variable I am creating, careful. Struct node E I am creating, but remember struct node E, struct node type, pointer variable I created. When you say pointer variable, 8 bytes of memory, it doesn't matter which type. When you say pointer variable, 8 bytes of memory allocated. But what E expecting? E expecting address of struct node, I think D. D address expecting. So ampersand D item. Remember one variable only there in this diagram, one variable only. When I say print D, first person printing. When I say first person, right? When I say this address, first person address only will come. So ampersand D means first person address. This person address will come, because when I say print D, first person printing. When I say ampersand D, first person address will come. So this E expecting address of a struct node, because of E is a pointer variable 8 bytes. Let me write here. Here itself I am writing. See this. E created 8 bytes. Address of this one is 2000. E expecting address of a struct node type. I think 1000. So when you give 1000, it will point to 1000. Whichever address you give, it will point there. If you give 1000, it will point to 1000. But remember, if I go to inside 1000, there should be a struct node, every one node. 1000 is the address of this node. This node type is struct node. 1000 is the address of this node. Everyone understand, 1000 is the address of this node. This node type is struct node, right? That is the thing which is going on. Right? Now understand, whatever way you access it here in the case of integer, how you access it, same way, variable. So see, understand everyone, printf, careful, percentage U, right? E, variable means inside. So can you go to the inside E, what is there? 1000. 1000 will be printed. Okay, that's fine. Now see the answer, printf, observe clearly, percentage F, understand, E means 1000. E means 1000. Understand? E means 1000. Star E. Careful everyone. E means 1000. Okay. Star E. The inside 1000. See this one. E means 1000. 1000 means what? Outside. Address means outside. Star 1000 means inside. When you go inside, na, remember this is the address of D. This is the address of D. First person address is nothing but address of total variable. When you say star 1000, you will go inside. Inside there are 3 people whom you will access. This is inside event. E means 1000. E means 1000. Star 1000. Inside 1000 event. Remember, this 1000 is the address of struct node. When you say star E, inside 1000 event. Inside 1000, 3 people. A there, B there, C there. Whom you are asking? I said B. I said B. So in the B, whatever is there, it will print. 20.5 will be printed. Check. 20.5 will be printed. So what I mean to say is, listen, what I mean to say is, carefully observe. Here also I printed 20.5. Here also I printed 20.5. The only difference is, here with normal variable I printed. Because of structure variable, dot required. Because it is a pointer variable, first star required. And it's a pointer to structure, dot required. Structures means dot compulsory, but it is a pointer first. Star, go inside. When you go inside, dot required. Similarly, printf, percentage C. Understand one thing. E means 1000. Star E means inside 1000. Inside 1000, there are 3 people. I said dot C. Then X will be printed. X will be printed. Someone is saying first person. Yes, by default first person. Yeah, someone is saying first person. Let me write that also. Printf. Careful everyone. Percentage D. See everyone. E1000. Okay. E1000. Okay. Star 1000. The value inside 1000. Inside 1000, if you go, 3 members are there. right? E is 1000, star E, inside 1000. Inside 1000, 3 members. If you don't say anything, by default, first person will be printed. Suppose you didn't set anything. Inside it went, but you didn't set anything. By default, first person will be printed. By default, first person will be printed. So, right, first person printing, see, you can print like this also. First person, you can print like this also. Using, right, you can print like this also. Printf percentage D, this also you can print. E means 1000, star 1000 means inside 1000 dot A. This also 10 will print. So like this also you can print, like this also you can print, like this also you can print. So these all same. The only difference is, let me write. These four things all are correct. So normal variable, no star required. D is a normal variable. If we access with normal variable, no star required. But because of structure, dot required. Suppose if you don't keep dot, by default first person will come. If it is a pointer variable, star compulsory. After star, you are inside. Inside, if you say clearly, so that person will be printed. If you don't say, by default first person will be printed. Are you comfortable till now? It is a nice example. Total structures I covered. Actually, this is the thing which would happen yesterday itself. You will get to know yesterday itself. Now, because of someone asking, let me do that also. Can anyone help me? I think 3/4. See the 4. Printf. Careful everyone. Printf percentage U. How many people will give the answer to me? E is a normal variable or pointer variable? E is a normal variable or pointer variable? Make it fast. E is a normal variable or pointer variable? Hello? Pointer variable. Point into whom? Struct node. Struct node size how much? 12 bytes. Struct node size is 12 bytes. Be careful. Struct node size is 12 bytes. If anyone says 7, that is also okay. But in the exam say 12. If anyone says 7 bytes, that is also okay. Right? If anyone says 12, that is also. This is for system. This is for user. But actually 12. Remember, I am a pointer variable. I am pointing to 12 bytes. I am a pointer variable. I am pointing to 12 bytes. If I say +1, next to 12 bytes. Right? Printf percentage U, E +1 if I do, because of it is a pointer variable. Right? E +1 if I say, 1012 will be printed. Now, some people are asking, sir, what about this one? Printf percentage D. Sir, what about this? Ready, sir, what about this? Printf percentage D, okay? D +1. Remember everyone, variable means inside. It is not a pointer variable, it is a normal variable. Normal variable means inside data is there. So D +1. I think D means inside 3 people, by default first one. So 11 will be printed. 10 +1, 11. Data is data. Data no change. Data is data. So end of the program. So this program is very nice program. There are 4 steps. Can you check it? This is only for your convenience. This one you no need to write. This is only for your convenience. I am not done anything here. See the first step. Create one data type. Okay. Create one structure variable. That is also okay. Right? See this one. Create one data type. Okay. Create one variable of the data type. That is fine. The next one is retrieve it. How? Like this. Create one pointer variable. With the help of pointer variable also retrieve. With the help of pointer variable also retrieve. So, and remember everyone, in some classes I will say only 7. In some classes I will say only 7. User point of view I seen, right? Computer point of view I didn't see. Actually in the exam if they ask you, right, say this 12 bytes. But actually 7 bytes only we are using. Sometimes maybe I may use 7. So be careful. Don't confuse. Oh, user point of view is saying. But in the examination you have to say computer point of view only. Right. Yeah, if you are comfortable, can we move next? If you are comfortable, can we move next? Can we move next? Anyone having any doubt? From here it is started. This program started from here. It is a nice problem. Please careful this. Please careful about this. Please careful about this. If you okay, I can move to the next one. If you okay, I can move to the next one. Can I move? If you okay, I can move to the next one. Can I move? Hello? Can I move? Can I move? Say everyone, can I move? Hello? No one bother. No one bother. Can I move? Are Isan, where are you? Isak, where are you? Anjali, where are you? It looks like today is Ankit day. Today is Ankit day. You only responding. Other people are sleeping. Other people are sleeping. Other people are sleeping. Isak is sleeping. True. Right. If you okay, can I move to the next one? Can you see the next problem also? Can you see the next problem also? Can you see the next problem also? Right. See this problem. See this problem. Main. Main. See this problem also. Interesting problem. Struct node. Int A. Float B. Char C. End of this. Assume it is a number 1. Assume it is number 1. 2. Careful. 2. Printf. Percentage D. Printf percentage D. Oh, I have to create one variable, right? Let me create one variable. Second step. Struct node D is equal to 10, 20.5. If you don't write by default garbage there. No need to think much. By default garbage there. Struct node D, that is the second step. Can you see the third step? Can you see the third step? Printf percentage D. Printf percentage D. So D dot C. D dot C. Can you help me? D dot C. What is that? D dot C. What is that? I think is it X? D dot C. Is it X? Yeah, D dot C. Can you help me what it will print? Actually, it should print X, but I written percentage D. So what is the answer? X ASCII value will be printed. What is the X ASCII value? Percentage D, na? X ASCII value will be printed. How much? Yeah, how much can you calculate? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Remember capital, right? Remember everyone? So small a will start from 97. Small a will start from 97. Can you calculate? So just find out. 97 onwards it will start. Calculate. Make it fast. Small x. Everyone say it fast. Printf percentage C D dot C. So then X only printed. Someone is saying 120, someone is saying 116. Please check properly. Array, ask chat, ask Google, yeah, it will give. Yeah, it's almost like 120 maybe. X, Y, the total 26 letters, right? 97 onwards start. If it start from 100 only, it could have been 126 surrounding. Right? Maybe I can check one time. Right? Fine. Now observe. Now observe everyone. Printf percentage U. Printf percentage U. So I'm doing somewhere one small diagram. See the diagram also. See the diagram also. Small diagram I'm doing somewhere. This is the D. Inside three people. A, B, C. Forget about padding. Forget about padding. Right? A, B, C. This is the 1000. Assume. So bigger one is here 4 bytes, na? Bigger one is 4 bytes. Assume everyone is 4 bytes. 1000, 1004, 1008. Bigger one is 4, so everywhere I written the 4. Don't think much. 1000, 1004, 1008. Okay, let us assume that this is the current status. So if I say, right, because of here only one variable D there, because of here only one variable D there, because of here only one variable D there, everyone understand. Because of here one variable D there, then what you will do is, I want D address, ampersand D you write. I want D address, right? Only one variable. See, I created one variable only. I created one variable only. I created one variable only. Right? One variable I created. So what is that variable address? So 1000 will be printed. 1000 will be printed. Okay, that's fine. Now let me add few more lines. Printf percentage U. Right? So everyone understand. So D dot, when I say D dot A, when I say D dot A, I will go, D means inside, right? It is the 10, it is the 20.5, it is the X, okay? But when you say D inside, D dot A means I am at here, his address I want, keep ampersand. After reaching one person, keep ampersand, that person address you will get. Which will goes to address, na, 1000 will come. Now, in the similar way, you can do this also. Printf percentage U, D dot B you say. D dot B means, D means inside, dot B means 20.5. Is address, ampersand. Is address, ampersand. So when you go there, it will print the 1004. Next one, printf ampersand u d dot c means you will go here. You are at here. Is address you want? Keep ampersand. Right? So which will goes to 1008. After going to a specific person, you keep ampersand, his address will come. So this is the end of the program. Take this also. Take this also. This is the starting of the program. This is the ending of the program. This is the ending of the program. This is one more problem. Please take care. Please take care. At anywhere if you see without padding, that is also correct. But system point of view, padding also needed. At any place if you see without padding, that is also okay. Right? But user point of view, they are talking. User point of view, they are talking. But system point of view, little padding is there. Are you comfortable with this problem? Are you comfortable with this problem? Check one time. Are you comfortable? My question to all the people, are you comfortable? Bro, are you comfortable? Yeah. So if you are comfortable, right? If you are comfortable, just I want to show one small thing to you. Listen. Just go to table. Priority table, go. I want to show one thing to you. Priority table, go. That may be 63 or 74, I don't know. 74. Important tables. I want to show a table to you. That is the reason I came here. Can you come here now? If you observe clearly table, see this one. If you observe clearly table, observe the clearly table. Please see clearly table. Observe clearly table. Can you help me now? Dot operator, ampersand operator, which having highest priority. Dot operator, ampersand operator, which having highest priority. Can you check? Ampersand is here. Ampersand is here or anywhere else. Ampersand is here. Dot is here. Dot is first place. See, dot is first place. Dot is first place. Ampersand is here. So dot is the highest priority. Remember, dot is the highest priority. Dot is the highest priority. Some people are asking, why are you saying this? Can you come here? Why are you saying? So why I am saying is, listen, why I am saying is, if I don't keep this bracket, whatever there, then also dot only will go first. Suppose I don't kept this bracket, d dot a, I don't kept bracket. By default, dot highest priority. By default, dot is highest priority, remember. By default, dot highest priority. If you don't keep bracket also, no problem. When bracket required, suppose you want to make someone else bigger, already dot is bigger, no need to make bigger. So if you write like this also, no problem. Or both will be similar meaning. Ampersand d dot a. Ampersand d dot a, right? So this is equal to this. Because anyhow dot is highest priority. D purpose, two people fighting. Ampersand also, dot also. Dot highest priority, so d dot a will be done. Whenever you want to make someone is bigger, then only bracket. Is already bigger. So no need to make. Now one more point I want to say, everyone listen. Everyone listen. See this. See correctly. Here I kept a bracket. For everything I kept a bracket here. See this. Here I kept this bracket is nothing but, this circle is nothing but bracket. Understand? This circle is nothing but bracket. This circle is nothing but bracket. Please be careful. This circle is nothing but bracket. This circle is nothing but bracket. Now some people are asking, what is the reason? Listen, what is the reason? If that bracket is not there, first e dot a will be done. Remember, e is a pointer. E is a pointer. E is a pointer. First of all, you have to go inside. Star required. First of all, E is a pointer. Star E, you have to go inside. After going inside, dot required. If you don't keep bracket, E will go with A. So there is no meaning in that. So bracket required. So pointer variable. First star should be done, then dot E. So some people are asking, sir, there is a bracket, there is a star, there is a dot. Remember, listen everyone now. There is a star, there is a bracket, there is a dot. Whenever these three people are there, you can use the shortcut E dot E arrow A. It is shortcut. At anywhere, if you see three people like this, first to star, then bracket, then dot. These three people, if you find out, that one will be replaced by arrow symbol. Remember, arrow symbol internally contains dot operator. Arrow symbol internally contains star operator. First star should be done. After star dot, if you don't keep that bracket, E will go with A. Then definitely you may not see the actual answer. It is a pointer variable. How can you say directly E dot A? Pointer variable, you have to say star first. Right? It is also, see this one. This can be written. It is an actual. Shortcut is E arrow C. Right? Actually, star E dot C. Shortcut is E arrow C. Whenever you are using arrow symbol, star required, bracket required, dot required. So here also, this can be written as shortcut. E arrow B. Arrow symbol internally contain one star operator. Bracket is there, dot is there. Please try to understand. If you don't keep bracket, E will go with the dot. Then serious implications will come. Some people are asking, sir, why are you showing this? Can you see this? Why are you showing? See, in the table, first place itself, there is a arrow symbol. In the table, first place itself, arrow symbol. Arrow symbol internally contains one bracket also. Arrow symbol internally contains star operator also. Arrow symbol internally contains dot operator also. Three major things are there. Bracket is there, star is there, dot is there. But by adding all three, this operator came. So this is the user defined, right? User convenience. But internal meaning is three meanings. First star. Right, wherever you are using arrow symbol, that means that variable whoever there is a pointer variable first. Is a pointer variable. Because the pointer variable you done star, and pointer to structure, because of that reason afterwards dot is there. So whenever you see arrow symbol, you have to understand, oh, I am at a point, right? I am at a pointer variable. Pointer variable means star required, first star. Afterwards, pointer to structure, or dot. When you go inside structure, there is a dot. Excellent, excellent. Please take care. No need to confuse, right? New things will be like that only. Now listen. Here I cannot use arrow symbol because there is no star. There is no star. Here you cannot use arrow symbols. Wherever you want, you cannot use it. But remember everyone, dot operator, ampersand operator. Dot operator, ampersand operator. So please be careful. Dot operator is the highest priority. You can see the table also. You can see the table also. You can see the table also. And one more thing. Star operator, dot operator. Star operator, dot operator. Dot operator, ampersand operator. Maybe system became hot. That may be the reason. Dot operator is highest priority. Next one. Dot operator, star operator. Dot operator is highest priority. And one more. Remember everyone. Star A dot B. Star A dot B. See, star is there, bracket is there, dot is there. Shortcut is A arrow B. Right? Fine. So be careful all these things. Be careful. It is a nice problem. Be careful, it is a nice problem. Yeah, can we move to next? Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Almost we done the structures. Almost we done the structures. Can we move to next? Bro, can we move? Right. All the things are done. All the things are done. Right. One small thing I will write. One small thing I will write. With this, I will go to the next one. Example. See the small story. See the small story. Yeah, I think some little bit of lagging there because of system became hot. That may be the reason. Right. So I will give one example. Let's see. Main. Main. Next one. Union node. Union node. Inside. Union node inside. Int A. Float B. Char C. End of this. Main. Union node. Next one, let me write. Union node one data type is created. I am creating one variable D, which is equal to one variable D I am creating. One variable D. But remember here only one person at a time. In the case of union, only one person at a time. Three people not available. Three people not available. At a time, one person. You can use at a time one person. See the memory also. Three people, but only 4 bytes memory created. Let me write. So variable name is D. 4 bytes of memory. 1000 onwards, 4 bytes of memory. Whoever is bigger, that person will be created. So I think a float B, 4 bytes. Everyone is 4 bytes, but shared memory. All the people have to share the same memory. See what happened. See what happened. D dot A. D means inside 3 people ABC. D dot D. When you say D inside, D dot A. D dot A 10. D dot A 10. So printf A. Printf D dot A. Printf D dot A. Then what happened is 10 will be printed. Next one, see the interesting thing. D dot B is equal to 20.5. So first 10 will be stored. Now you are storing D dot B is equal to 20.5 because of same memory. This will change into 20.5. Same memory, because of this reason it will become right. Now printf D dot B 20.5 will be printed. Now once again D dot C is equal to some character X you said. This became X because of same memory. Because of same memory it became X. So printf D dot C X will be printed. So can we see this? Can we see this one? Assume it is a number 1. Assume it is a number 2. Assume it is a number 3. Right? So number 4 I am writing. See the number 4. So now in the memory X there, see the unfortunate thing. Printf D dot A if I write, you will get the garbage because it's already overwritten. It is already overwritten. You will see some garbage value. Same way if I say printf D dot B, it will also print garbage. Garbage means anything. Garbage can be anything. Some random value will be printed. End of this. In the case of union, only 4 bytes of memory will be allocated. For A, B, C, for all the people, same memory. For A, B, C, all the people, same memory. A also same memory, B also same memory, C also same memory. All the people same. D dot A, right? D dot A, 10 will store. In the same place, 20.5 will store. In the same place, X will store. Always memory contain recent value X there, it will be there. Right? So printf D dot C, X will be there. So if you use D dot A, previous values, because of overwritten, garbage will be printed. Garbage will be printed. Can you see this one? So this problem started here, right? Using union, right? Right. I created one data type, union node. Union node, I created one data type. Next, if you see the two, right? Union node, one variable created, because the bigger one is for 4 bytes. And inside all three members will share the same memory. All three people will share the same memory they will share. So D dot A, with the help of A, I am accessing the first part. With the help of B, I am accessing the second part. With the help of C, I am accessing the third part. Store and access, store and access, store and access. But remember, old people, you are gone. Old people are gone. Remember this. Always recent person will be available. Always recent person will be available. All people sharing same memory union. Everyone having separate memory structures. Every person having separate memory structures. Everyone having, right, same memory union. I think you got it. You got it. Fine. Can I move next? Can I move next? Bro, can I move next? Can I move next? Bro bhaiya, can I move next? Right? So today nice class happened. Yeah, we are stopping now. Right? Please come early. Please come early. I request everyone, please come at 6 o'clock. Please come at 6 o'clock. I request everyone, please come at 6 o'clock. Application of union in real world. Whenever you feel three members, but one person only active at a time, then go for union. You need three people, but you don't know whom you will use. Anyone you can use, but one at a time, then go for the union. So that is the reason normally we don't use union. Very rare incident. You want all, then go for structures. You want all people, then go for structures. You want only one person. Recent person, then go for union. Hope you are finding these classes useful. All resources are there in the description and in the first comment also, like doubt solving group link, 5000 verified questions link, mock tests, quizzes and notes, and right, all the things whichever needed, all kept in the description. Please see, use them properly. These are the resources which you need. I have been guiding students since 2007. Many of my students secured top ranks in the competitive exam. My goal since 2007, from the last 18 years, my goal is very clear. Within 6 to 12 months, I want to make sure my students should crack all competitive exams. Whatever way you are watching these videos, right, these lectures, for all the subjects, similar way is there. Same clarity will be there. And I request everyone, comment your target exam, which exam you are targeting. What is the rank you are targeting? Please comment in the comment section. And comment this also, how many subjects you completed till now. What are the most difficult subjects you are feeling? And when you started the preparation, I request you, please comment so that we can help you accordingly. If these lectures are helping you, right, please comment and share it to your friends also. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Keep growing, keep improving, and stay consistent. Thank you. Right? Fine. Thank you. See you in the next class. Yeah. Bye. Meet you. See you at tomorrow at 6 o'clock. See you tomorrow at 6 o'clock.